Oh boy. This is John in Los Angeles. It's February 3rd, about 11:30 a.m. I'm in Gardena, California right now looking at this turd. They've been going all morning long. Yeah, keep wearing your mask. They care about you. They want your silence. That's what they want. That's what that represents. Yeah. Wonder why people are sick, huh? This is never mentioned at all, right? This is just mind-numbing that this can be allowed, and not that so many don't even see it. It really. I'm not having a good day today. You know, some lady at the market, Ralph's Market, this was like 2 days ago. I'm walking through the parking lot without a muzzle on, but I have a scarf in my hand. I haven't even gone in yet. And she comes out and she passes me by and goes, "I hope you're enjoying being a super spreader." And I got in her face and said, "You're a stupidity spreader. Stop watching television." And I said it loud. So, you know, look at this. Okay, I'm out. This is enough of this fart knocker, except for, I want you to see something else here. Hold on. Look at this. Here, the X. Great. Yeah, keep wearing those muzzles, guys. They want you safe. Ooh, yeah.